Hey Mike, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. So I'm gonna do a couple different things here. I'm gonna touch on three things that you guys or that you can do that will help grow your business and help you expand. I'm also gonna just take a look at one aspect of it. I realize as a handyman you do a whole bunch of different things, and then just provide a couple tips here. So one of the three things I'm going to touch on are content, citation, and backlinks. But when I was searching your name, I do want to point out that I saw that you got Google reviews and they're all 1 star. However, your actual ratings are a lot better in these other ones. So just some advice next time you're doing a job, I'd highly recommend getting people to start reviewing, asking people to review your site to help push this up. Because I realize there's always unhappy customers, and you do good work clearly because you have other good reviews. So making sure that you're being noticed for your good reviews is very important. Another thing you can do is create a site, and I'm going to kind of just touch on that here in a second. So I did just pick HVAC, Hampton, Virginia, just as an example. I realize you do a whole bunch of different things, but I do want to point out, if you have your own site, you can start getting a lot of this traffic on your own and not have to pay for leads or worry about them. They'll come to you naturally. So it looks like 140 people, 110 people searched this a month, HVAC, Hampton, Virginia. And if you were to rank here in this map pack, you could snatch, 20 to 30% of these leads pretty easily. So first off, we'll just touch on this. So ads are up at the top. If you wanted to run ads, it's a good way to get business quickly. The map pack here, in order to rank in this map pack, you need more citations than your competition and a Google business page. So Google business page is free. You can set it up and optimize it. And then you want to add more citations, which is just your name, phone number, business address, and your website if you have one. You don't have to have one in a directory. And a directory is just like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Thumbtack, all those things. And there's hundreds of directories out there. Making sure you have more directories than your competition will help push you up this list. The second biggest thing in ranking in this map pack is ranking in the organics, which is just ranking your website and having it be one of the top ones. I did just take these guys as an example to show you what it would take to build your site. You want to have 1,500 words or so of content per service that you offer. And the reason for that is Google looks through the content to try to find keywords or phrases like HVAC, Hampton, Virginia, that people are actually searching for to find your services. So if you get your keywords into your content, that will help Google understand what your website's about and help people find your services. So the next thing to rank organically is backlinks. And I've got this site pulled up here to allow us to take a look behind the scenes and see how many links they've got. So a backlink is a link from one website to another. It's just like a hyperlink here. You click it and it takes you somewhere else. So if you've got a news station talking about how good your services are, and they link from their website to your website, that's going to create a powerful link, that backlink that links back to you. If someone writes about your links to your website and they has no relevance, like they do blogs on food and all of a sudden are talking about maintenance, it's not going to carry as much weight or relevance. And if nobody reads it, it's not going to carry as much power. So the higher these numbers are, the better. They're out of 100. So this is a fairly healthy score that they've got here. They've got over 1,000 backlinks from 300 and something websites. So having backlinks is important to ranking your site, something to just keep in mind. You can make your own site pretty quickly for free, or you can have someone else do it. Doesn't really matter. You're leaving a lot of money on the table by not having it. And there's a lot of traffic to be found in growing your business. So if you're interested in growing and you want to take on more customers, potentially expanding your business, there's a lot of ways to do it. So Mike, I hope you found this helpful or informative. If you don't mind, just give me some feedback on the video. I'd really appreciate that. I'm just trying to help out folks. All right, look forward to hearing from you and wish you well. Thanks.